Shut in full song.
Dreams shattered, hope left unanswered, promises broken, innocence killed. Light dimmed slowly as the fire grew, a gentle soul fading while a savage took form. Streets stole kindness and birthed a vengeful heart. Cruelty stitched scars deep where no hands can reach. A soul once open, now faded to death.
Yeah.
All from a word I never knew.
By 9 years old, betrayal taught me firsthand. School hit harder than fists ever could land. Streets raised me, machete swinging in the cold. Cold nights, my 9 was the only hand I could hold. Mother wasn't there, father never near. So I raised my own rage and buried my fear. Didn't grow up with hugs, grew up with steel. Learned pain young, learned how to conceal. In my hood, you got jumped for a haircut too clean, for a smile too bright, or being a kid too keen, too happy, too smart. Better fade off the scene, so I dimmed down the glow. Let cold steel intervene, born in the storm. Life blew me into form, had to become a nightmare just to weather the swarm. Pain raised me, rage shaped me, carved from the dust. Now I'm the creature that cruelty forced into us.
Money in the form that you built from the night. Just know I did the swarm. Pain raised me, rage shaped me, carved from the dust. Now I'm the creature that cruelty forced into us. Bringing the storm, blew me in the form, had to become a nightmare just to weather the swarm. Pain raised me, rage shaped me, carved from the dust. Now I'm the creature that cruelty forced into us.
Yeah, baby K, 21, gun salute. Gun salute. Tell my Tez you aim, I shoot. Always speak the truth, never lie to my brother. We here to find the bad seeds. Pledge of a gunner, heart cold as the winter. No wonder, got love and respect for solid twins and my gunners. We lions in the pride, ready to eat all hunters. Better pray that we find you first and not your brothers. Either way, I'ma get my pound of flesh. Always on my diamonds, keep a black that's fresh. Burgundy heart banging in my chest, frozen, no hesitation. When I rip his face open, move militant. Show no emotion, silence and violence, dedication and devotion. I get 8 calls a day from behind the wall. I answer to Jack, my twin tell me slow motion. I hear slow motion too. I try, but it's war in my veins. Past memories cut deep, present cowards bring pain. I tell myself chill, breathe, keep the world at bay. But some demons don't sleep, they hunt when I pray. I walk steady through shadows with the cold still near, cause betrayal still echoes even years from the fear. I'm trying to hold back, but the rage don't stray, and the streets keep whispering our world our way. These punks plot quiet, think they moves unseen, but my eyes stay open on every crack in between. I ain't looking for trouble, but trouble still plays, so I move with precision, keep the wolves at bay. Slow motion sounds right, till the pressure creep. Then the lion in my chest starts losing sleep. We built from storm blood, never meant to obey. So if war come knocking, we take the throne back, our world's our way.
They planted to rage, they fed, watch innocence crumble until only vengeance let a heart once open. Turned ashes in the fray, and the storm they created now walks its own